Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today we're gonna see how I actually get eyebrows, because you see how I don't have any? So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. I don't think I ever had eyebrows. I don't know, but some people have like plucked all their eyebrows and then they don't have any. But I don't think I ever had any eyebrows. See, they're very sparse. So I'm going to show you how I have learned, thanks to YouTube, how to, paint them in. And let me tell you, it took a lot of learning. It was not easy. Now, one of the things that they say you should do is to comb them. And I have found that there is no point in combing them. I mean, it's not like they're unruly. I don't need to comb them. So this I don't do. I don't comb them. I don't comb them. But I do color them in. Still, what I like to do is my brows go down like that. See, this is their natural slant, and I don't like that. I like those beautiful brows that, they go up like that and they look so sophisticated, right? Not like sad puppy brow. So I have to draw that arch. So what I do, let me get this. This is not my favorite pencil. My favorite pencil is in my gym bag. I'm not going to take it out. What I do is that I start first by drawing that brow. I know where my arch is going to be. It's going to be like right there. And then I go up. And I know they say draw little short brush strokes, but I don't have time for that. Do you? Do you have time for that? Really, the other day I was talking about the reality versus the fantasy of YouTube and beauty. And it's like, oh, come on, give me a break. If you're going to give me a beauty routine that is going to take me an hour, it's not going to happen. No. Okay, so I try to bring it up as much as possible. And that's about it. That's the best I can do. And that changes the entire look of my expression and my eye. You see? You see the difference? Oh, and now that I'm coming up close, the other thing that I forget to do all the time is to put eye drops. Because look at that vein, it's disgusting. I have to put eye drops. People suggest to use this really expensive eye drop, I don't know the name, and I almost bought it, and I said, forget that, that's too expensive. Okay, so over here I do the same thing. I go up, and my goal is to do kind of like a V. This one up this way, and this one up this way. That's my goal. And then, and you know what? I used to never do my brows to go to work because, as you can see, they take a long time. And then one day I did them, and I swear I got stopped by like 2 or 3 teachers. I said, wow. All right, technical difficulties because I ran out of space on my camera. So I'm back. All right, so basically a few teachers said, wow, your brows look so nice. Okay, so let me explain something here. I could, if I wanted to, I could basically pluck all of these hairs over here. I could do that, but I just don't want to. Once you start plucking hairs, it's very, sometimes it just don't grow back, and I don't want to make a mistake, so I'm afraid. Okay, that's it. I've admitted that I have a lot of fear. Okay, so let's go on the other side. The other side has a better natural arch, so it's easier. And the other side looks a little better, but do you see, if I were to pluck this, I could create a better arch, but I'm afraid, so I'm not going to. It's not going to happen. So the next thing that I do is that I use, and you know, I've used other brow gels or brow pomades, and I really like this one. This one is from Brow Boy from Glossier, and I really like it. So I think that the color is perfect for me. It is a brown color. That's just the color, brown. It's lasted a long time. I would say that this has lasted me pretty much a year. So at this point, some people might be saying, oh, you need to get rid of that. Well, I'm not. It doesn't smell like it's turned, and you know, it's just all good. So you could see that I did a little smudge right there. So I just go like that and clean it up. And now at this point, I can get those hairs at the bottom to go up and stay. And now I am happy. Now I'm going to show you what I do to make the bottom cleaner. I'm going to show you that in a second because I forgot the thing I need over there. Let me go get it. Okay, this is the thing I need. This is called Dream Lumi Touch Highlighting Concealer by Maybelline. You know that I'm not going to use expensive things. I'm not, okay? I mean, I might every so often, but not that often. So this is a brush on the end, and then you turn it and it pushes the product up towards the brush. I typically do not like products that have a self-contained applicator, but it is what it is. So I take this, and the only thing I don't like is that it kind of stays up on the top like that. See that little, wait a minute, there you go. Let me see if you can see it. If I move up, you can see it, see? So sometimes what I'll do is I'll just spread it down, and now the entire brush is covered in product. See, you gotta help it along, okay. Because it'll dispense a bubble up on the top, and you want the entire brush. So then the next thing I do, I don't know if I should do it in the viewfinder or in my mirror. Okay, the next thing I do is I go like that, and I clean the edges. Excuse me. And then I blend. Yes, yes, big difference. You can already see. Big difference. Look at that arch compared to how I had it before. Oh my gosh, big difference. So I could probably use a lighter color if I wanted more of a dramatic effect, but this is a natural effect where you're cleaning your brow, you're creating an artificial arch, and it looks natural. If I wanted a more dramatic look, I would just be using a lighter color to sculpt it underneath like that. See, right now the color blends into my skin, and you can't really notice that I've done it. It just makes it look natural, like I have a natural arch there. And if I need to cover up more, because basically what I'm doing is I'm covering shadow and hair. So if I need to cover up more, I go ahead and go up more and cover up more. There we go. Look at that. And of course, some people also do the outside edge. And this is the blending part. And then if you wanted to, you could do the outside edge over here. See, right there. And that would make it a sharper look. And again, you just blend it. And it would give you like a popping, like a sharp contrast. There's one brown, and there's the other. Okay, so that's about it. And I would probably use a lighter color, but I haven't found this in a lighter color. This one is Nude Chair. I don't know. Why would they call it Nude Chair? I don't know. I'll see if I can find it in a lighter color because I think I could use a lighter color. But that's about it. That's how I do my brows. And I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, okay? Subscribe. And hit the like button. Yes, hit the like button. I am not ashamed to ask you. No, I'm not. So, more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.